So in this video, I'm talking about an amazing online video editor. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So Invideo is just not an video editing software, but much more than that. So with Invideo, it is easy for anyone to create videos from text. So it is an incredible time saver tool that creates videos very easily. So make impressive outdoor videos and high quality videos. Then we have with so many editing options, image editing options, business owners can make use of this software to make business presentations and videos for their products and for video marketing. So moreover, multiple types of research have showed that the human brain memorizes a video clip for a longer time than a set of words or sentences and paragraphs. So if your field of work requires you to generate video content for your products or services, you must know the importance of video content. So exactly what is Invideo? So now the question is, where will you find good, relevant, effective video content that also targets the exact audience that you're hoping for? Well, this is where Invideo comes in handy. For those who do not know what Invideo, it is a wonderful online software equipped to create video content from your written content, and that too in a seamless way. So if you need a professional video content to secure longer audience retention, then Invideo is for you. People are now much busier than they were 20 years ago. So just written content, lifeless images wouldn't do as much impact as a video content will do. So Invideo is the future of digital marketing. So what are the features of Invideo? So this software makes videos content according to your requirement. The more you go deeper into the software, the more dazzled you will feel with all the benefits you can avail because of this wonder. So here are the features of Invideo. So the first feature is article to video. So it is a basic feature of software. So it generates a brand new video from your given article. Yes, you heard it right. You can transfer your written articles into an engaging videos for Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media. Then we have the second option, that is URL to video. So Invideo can render a unique video just from your URLs of your article. So you do not have to compose an article, just an URL link would be enough for you to create perfect contents. Then we have pre-made templates. So another good feature is that you can find over 3000 pre-made templates to use for your content, and you can also customize these templates. So then we have the logo revealers. So are you thinking of launching a company logo? So what else will you need? A perfect platform to do so. So have happy launching for your logo with awesome video of Invideo. Media first video, sometimes a random video will just do the trick. So in that case, you can certainly use the feature to ask Invideo to make use of your device media files to create video content. So then we have the blank canvas. Now if you're willing to create the video content yourself, the software give you this feature where you can shoot, edit and render new video files for you. Then we have the option for text to speech. So this feature in Invideo offers you an opportunity to give a voiceover to your background of your video. So you can just provide the words and the software will render the text into a well articulated speech. So there are over 20 voices, male voices and female to choose from. So then we have the background music. So database of software has a huge stock of royalty free music to be added to your background music tracks of your video content. So how much does the Invideo cost? So Invideo offers two kinds of subscription, so namely business and unlimited. So for the monthly business and unlimited subscription, you have to pay $30 and $60 respectively. The pricing becomes respectively $180 and $360 for annual subscriptions. So compared to the other living expenses, so this is a sweet bargain, don't you think? So final verdict. So Invideo is no doubt a useful video creating and video editing tool. So anyone looking to create marketing videos can use this software. The video creating process is extremely easy. than other video creators. Their prices is reasonable as well. So as a whole, I will definitely recommend people to try this tool at least once. So if you are interested in Invideo, just click the link in the description, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.